Explaining how to switch between Android and OPS. By connecting the Windows OPS, this device, which is primarily dedicated to Android OS, can also be used with Windows OS. The OPS port is located behind the panel, so connect it there. Once connected, the Android OS screen will be displayed. However, if you tap Built-in PC in the Sources menu, it will switch to the built-in PC, allowing you to open Windows OS. You can also select the preferred external input. This configuration will automatically switch to Windows OS after startup, benefiting customers who want to use Windows OS without needing to switch the OPS computer each time. To enter sleep mode, briefly press the power button. Touching the screen will wake it up again. To shut it down, press and hold the power button and follow the instructions that appear. Then shutdown is completed.